centigrade temperature will rise, which again is going to create huge challenge for the survival of the entire industry. So climate change is a reality. We have to face it. We have to deal with it in such a way that we can eliminate the adverse consequences of it. So we need action on both counts: mitigation, that we reduce the greenhouse gases; adaptation, because even if you reduce the greenhouse gas today, the climate change is a reality, because whatever greenhouse gases are in the environment will remain there for many decades to come. So we have to therefore also adapt to climate change. And mitigation and adaptation both are important. Must go hand in hand. And particularly for India, adaptation is far more important. Because as I said, the fisheries will be affected, tourism will be affected, agriculture will be affected. So how do those people survive? So we have to adapt to climate change by adopting new technologies, new ideas. And therefore, it's a very important initiative. I'm very happy that it has come to a very most important place, and I'm very happy that such distinguished people, the leaders of Goa, are here to welcome it. I'm very sure that we together will be able to fight climate change if we first agree to fight it. The climate change is something which you don't accept that we have to do something, otherwise we will not do anything. That's the solution. That's what the world is thinking. Unfortunately, the President of the United States has walked out of climate change negotiations, climate change agreement that was reached in Paris.
मेंटेन रहता है ऑन एन एवरेज लेवल ऑफ 15 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, ठीक है। लेकिन अब क्या हो रहा है, पोल्यूशन की वजह से ज्यादा ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस एटमॉस्फेयर में जा रहे हैं, और वो ज्यादा जा रहे हैं तो वो ज्यादा गर्मी को भी कैच कर रहे हैं, और उसके वजह से जो एटमॉस्फेयर का टेम्परेचर धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, उसको हम ग्लोबल वार्मिंग